Welcome, learners. This tutorial will guide you through the process of working with the raster layers in QGIS using Python scripting PyQGIS. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to load, manipulate, analyze, and export raster data efficiently. Let's dive in. Number 1, Introduction to raster layers. What is raster layer? A raster layer is a grid of pixels or cells where each pixel contains a value representing information such as elevation, temperature, or satellite imagery. Common raster formats: GeoTIFF, georeferenced TIFF format, commonly used for GIS data. JPEG closely compression format for images. PNG, closeless compression format for images. Use cases for raster data. For example, elevation models representing terrain. For example, DIM, satellite imagery. For example, capturing land cover, vegetation, and urban areas. Climate data, visualizing temperature, precipitation, etc. Number 2, loading a raster layer. To load a raster layer in QGIS, use the ifs.addRaster layer function. Parameters of ifs.addRaster layer: URI, path to the raster file; layer name, name of the layer in the QGIS layers panel; provider, the data provider, for example, GDAL for GeoTIFF files. To load a raster layer, URI equal my path dim underscore subset.tiff, R layer equal ifs.addRaster layer, URI, comma, my raster, comma, GDAL. Check if the raster layer is valid. Else print this is an invalid layer. We open QGIS, and in Python console, we open editor, then run the script. That's my raster layer that loaded. And the output is great. This is a valid raster layer. Number 3, accessing raster layer properties. Retrieve and display key properties of the raster layer, such as extent, dimensions, band count, and CRS projection. Use this script. If R layer is valid, get raster extent, extent equal R layer dot extent. Then print raster extent is extent dot toString. After that, get raster width and height. Width equal R layer dot width, while height equal R layer dot height. After that, print raster dimensions, width, and height. Then get the number of bands. Band underscore count equal R layer dot band count. Then print number of bands equal band count. Finally, get CRS. CRS equal R layer dot CRS dot authid. Then print coordinate reference system is CRS. We get raster layer properties. We run the script. Raster extent 43.28, 36.77, and so on. Raster dimension 3159, 1036. Coordinate reference system EPSG 4326. Number 4, raster band manipulation. Access individual bands of raster and retrieve statistics. Minimum, maximum, mean, median, and standard deviation. To get statistics, we use this script from QGIS.core import QGIS raster layer, QGIS project. Then load the raster layer, URL my path, R layer. Then check if raster is valid. If R layer is valid, print grade this valid raster layer. Then get raster data provider equal R layer dot data provider. Get statistics for first band, stats equal provider dot band statistics number 1. Print band 1 minimum equal stats dot minimum value, while maximum equal stats dot maximum value. Mean equal stats dot mean, while standard deviation equal stats dot std div. Else, print this an invalid raster layer. For computing median, we use GDAL and NumPy. From OSGeo, import GDAL, import NumPy as NP. My path and band equal URI dot get raster band number 1. Array equal band dot read as array dot flatten. Remove no data value, no data equal band dot get no data value, array equal array not equal to no data, median underscore value equal np numpy dot median array. Then print median value is median value. Now we run the script to get statistics for the raster layer. Great, this is a valid raster layer. Band 1 minimum 413, maximum 2309, mean 1024, standard deviation 351, while median value is 985.